Il fait froid. Il fait très froid. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud, hein? Il fait chaud. Yeah, thank you so much. Bonjour. Bonjour. In this video, we are going to learn about weather in French. Weather, the weather. Okay? I say il fait froid. Il fait froid. Okay? Il fait froid. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Okay? So we are going to talk about weather in French. Are you ready? Let's get started.
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
Weather in French is le temps, le temps, le temps. So you can ask someone, for instance, I'm currently in France while recording this video. You can ask me, quel temps fait-il en France? We start with the common ones, that is how a particular weather makes you feel. Let's start with that one. Okay, so like when you want to say it's cold, you say il fait froid. Il fait froid, meaning you are feeling cold. Okay, il fait froid. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud, meaning that the weather is hot. The weather is very, very hot. Il neige. Il neige. Il neige. Okay? We have il pleut. It's raining. Il pleut. Il pleut. It's raining. Il neige. Il pleut. Il fait froid. Il fait chaud. So I'll make some few sentences with this. Okay? Il fait très froid en hiver. Il fait très froid en hiver. Il fait très froid en hiver. Okay? It's really cold during winter. It's really cold during winter. Okay? Il neige en hiver. Il neige en hiver. Okay? It snows. It snows during winter. I mean, snow falls down during winter. Il fait très chaud en été. Il fait très chaud en été. Okay? So during summer, the weather is always hot. Okay? The weather is hot during summer. The summer season or the summer period is when the sun shines. Okay? As a bonus, il fait beau. When you see the weather is favorable to your body temperature, it's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's very good for you. You say il fait beau aujourd'hui.